Hello! In this video I cover the unboxing of Canon PIXMA G series Wi-Fi models. The models have different regional names in different countries, but most out-of-the-box content may be similar. I put information on the screen with key product configuration. Ink bottles also have different naming. In my video I use regional models with Gi41 ink bottles. I will cover the following in this video, and for the detailed product review check the video in the upper right corner of the screen. In the first part, I displayed the box dimensions and weight. When printers are used, the following space is taken. Let me show what is in the box after unboxing. You find hard copy manuals, safety information, transport information with additional information of the received faxes for the fax model. There is setup DVD with drivers and software, but best is to download the latest software from the download page. During initial setup, some of the ink is used to fill up the print heads, so you may expect lower initial capacity. But that should not be a problem, as there is a lot of ink in the bottles. Here is some more safety info. There are leaflets about the media with QR code for the Canon print app, which I use to set up these devices in the setup video. Not all media may be available. Check the displayed website for photo paper update. More apps are available, of which Easy Photo Print Editor is updated with new icon, and my video about this is available in the upper right corner. Poster Artist Web is another software. You find the link displayed. The warranty cards are different from region to region and may include the information about print head lifetime. Find more in my maintenance video about these models. Fax cable is only for the G4070 model. Finally, here are the ink bottles, print heads and power cable. The continuous ink printers are in general eco-friendly, as there is no waste of the ink cartridges, and for PIXMA G series there is only paper waste after unboxing. So let me unbox the PIXMA G multifunctional printer step by step in the last part. In the upper right corner of the screen you can find the review with differences between the G3030 and G4070 model. You find hard copy manuals, transport information, safety information. Not all media may be available. Check the displayed website for photo paper update. I am unboxing G3030 series, which may not be available in all the regions. There is setup DVD with drivers and software, safety information. The warranty cards are different from region to region and may include the information about printhead lifetime. During initial setup, some of the ink is used to fill up the printheads. Finally, here are the ink bottles, printheads and power cable. The continuous ink printers are in general eco-friendly, as there is no waste of the ink cartridges, and for PIXMA G series there is only paper waste after unboxing. My unboxing has been finished, and that would be all in this video. Find more about PIXMA G series in the playlist in the description. Feel free to comment and subscribe, as this helps me to grow and create more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.